It's been a month since I cut my hair, and honestly, I didn't expect for this to change so much for me. After years of growing it, protecting it, and it becoming a huge part of my identity, I was really curious on who I was without it. This wasn't just about having a new look. It's been a journey of letting go, embracing something new, and figuring out how my identity shifts with every inch I change. So today, I'm gonna be diving into what I've learned so far from cutting my hair, the benefits, the struggles, and everything in between. So many different styles, haircuts you can do with longer hair. You could do twists, you could do box braids, cornrows, coils. I damn near did everything, bro. And the main aspect as to why I loved having the long hair was that I was able to switch it up and express myself through those styles. Even just with the curly hair, I could rock a puff, I could rock a bun. I like the fact that I was never bored with my look because if I was just bored with it, I could just change it when I wanted to. I think along with the versatility, it allowed me to express myself and who I was. It was like different styles had different personas. Who I was with the coils was a different feeling from who I was with the twists, from who I was with the braids. And it was like, I could tap into each archetype, each character in a way. I don't know how many conversations, I don't know how many friends I've made just off of just having long hair. Either trying to help others who are trying to grow their hair out, they look to me for guidance, or just because they think it's cool, I don't know. Or if they don't like it, like either way it went about, there was always something you could talk about with it. And it sparked so much conversation, got me many opportunities, not only just on social media, but like real life too. Gave people something to remember. It gave me that look. Like when you saw the hair, you knew it was Nathan type of thing. My hair was my identity. It gave me a sense of purpose in a way. I was helping other people through my hair. I was helping myself through my hair. It was like a journey, it was like a story. It was a symbol for growth, care, gratitude. I became really familiar with my hair, for my hair. Y'all became really familiar of my hair, for me. I think that's a positive. I view it in a positive way because it connected me to all of y'all who are watching it right now. You wouldn't have clicked this video if it wasn't if it wasn't about it in a way. But with the good comes the bad. So here are the 3 cons of having long hair. And I think y'all all know number 1. I spend a whole day with the long hair washing it, detangling it, styling it. It's a 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. process, and granted, the results are amazing. I started realizing that maybe there's other things I want to be doing a bit more than just doing my hair. And obviously that kind of led to me cutting it. It just got to a point where I was just dreading wash day. I would keep my hair in braids for a month just so I didn't have to do the whole wash day process because I knew it would take the whole day, and keeping them in braids would just make it a bit easier, even though my scalp would just be dirty, my hair would be dirty, everything would be dirty. I'd look rough. Oof, look at this. I was looking like this majority of the time because I didn't want to cut my hair either. I didn't want to do anything to my hair. The summer, I can't wear my hair out. I can't have my hair out because everything is just going to feel a lot more hot, a lot more sweaty, a lot more humid. But in the winter, I love when my hair is out because it kind of acts like a warm helmet. You know, protecting my ears, protecting my scalp. Everything felt nice and warm. I didn't have to wear hats, none of that. Twist in the winter, I feel a bit cold. You can feel the breeze hitting your face, hitting your scalp. Didn't like that. But twist in the summer, it was the best thing ever. It's like the hair was out the way, the humidity didn't alter my hair shape, the size of it, the volume, all that. What I'm trying to say is that in certain seasons, certain styles just did not cooperate. I was 11 the last time my hair was this short. Everything I've known from 11 to 23 has been correlated and tied to my hair. I don't think I would have felt this way if I kept my hair for that long. Say if after year 5 or 6 I cut it, grew it back out, probably would still have it right now. It was like a thing where I don't know, I just got tired of it. It was a lot of commitment. Granted, I did it for 12 years. Just wanted something new. Sometimes your feelings change. And now we're here. So now that we're here, let's talk about the pros about having short hair. If it's wash day, wash my hair, deep condition for a bit, throw some leave-in in the curling cream, boom, out the door. 20, 25 minutes. You know what I would do in 20, 25 minutes with the long hair? That would just be spent on washing it. Then another 20, 25 minutes on detangling it. Then another hour on deep conditioning. We're already 2 hours in and I've just finished the shower. 25 minutes in, I'm done with everything with the short hair. I haven't even gotten to the styling process, which would probably take another 2, 3, 4 hours. So much time on my hands now. I love this, bro. What I'm realizing, not just within my hair, but just in life in general, is that less is more. Simple is more peaceful. Simple is better. It's, I don't know, when you overly complicate things and do too much, everything just gets clouded in your head and all the lines get twisted and turned and you can't really make too much sense of anything. I think now that I have short hair, like my mind is so much more clear because that headspace, that mental capacity it was taking was just taken out. And I think it took a big part of the things that I was thinking about because my hair revolved around my life, interactions, content, everything I do basically. And being able to take that out in order to just have some space to think about other things was just nice. It's been nice. I can see me for me, and because I can see me for me, people start seeing me for me too. Like I noticed it at work. I walked in a new guy with confidence, with everything that I imagined myself to be. I treated myself like that person. And because I did it, everyone else did too. Or at least it felt like it. What I'm trying to say is that it just feels nice to be acknowledged for me and not for my hair. It felt so good, that first like week, 2 week, that high you get from just being different. Granted, it does simmer down, but I still feel it. I'm still moving around like those first 2 weeks, bro, I feel like. Now let's get into the cons. And for this, I only have 2 cons because I'm not gonna lie, I love this. This is the best thing I've ever done. So there's not much negative I can say about this. I'm in that right now where I think my hair, it's starting to form the curls a little bit, but I look like a little mushroom. Granted, you know, you have to go through these type of things in order to get to that desired length that you want. It's just, it's not that I don't like it, but it does feel a bit weird. It does feel a bit weird to go through these type of stages where your hair is not at your desired length, because my hair's always been at my desired length. And if it wasn't, I just wanted it longer from what it was. And my hair was already long enough itself, so. I can't do anything with my hair like this. I could get cornrows, but do I want to get cornrows with this short of hair? No. I know that feeling is gonna come and it's gonna be like, damn, why did I cut it? I could have just been, you know, doing other styles and shit, But I think once my hair gets a little bit longer that I can maybe do coils, maybe do some cornrows, I'll start to feel it like, damn, I got neckies, like, this doesn't feel nice. I don't want to do this anymore. Those are my pros and cons of having long hair and short hair. But what it really went to show me is that it's really about the person you become through each transformation that sticks with you. From cutting my hair, who I've become is just someone who stops holding on to the past and started seeing himself clearly, started seeing himself for who he was. So that leads me to ask y'all, what version of yourself are you stepping into with each change that you make? Whether it's your hair, your style, or something deeper. I hope those who are thinking about cutting their hair gain some insight, feel a bit more confident on what their decision will be, whether to keep it or to cut it all off. Regardless of what you do, you're gonna be fine, you're gonna be okay. Hair grows back. It's been Nathan Xavier. I'ma see y'all next Saturday. Bye now.